Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Deborah, your host with the most. Here on Deboe Studios, we're here to have a great time. We're not here for a long time and we have to slay whilst doing it. Hi, so how you doing? Grab a coffee, grab some juice. But I am here today because I'm very excited and I've got a little video for you guys. It's gonna be kind of short, I think. I don't know, we'll see how it goes. Anyways. So today I got my packages in. I went a bit of shopping. I did a little bit of shopping because your girl needed it, alright? And I've really been a little bit stressed. I said I need to treat myself. I need to get myself something nice. I can't breathe because I'm really rushing my words, but it's because I'm really excited, but that's okay. So I went shopping on ASOS. Now that it's winter, I'm realising I don't really have like things that I want to wear during winter. I just have normal clothes, just normal ones. I don't even like really... It's not even really clothes that I bought. I didn't even buy any clothes, but it's like I just need to switch it up, you know. And I also went to Look Fantastic. That's how I'll be showing you people my address. I ordered some scarves. Now every year I end up buying myself a scarf. I normally go to like Zara or H&M, but now it's just on the ASOS website. I said, this is actually kind of nice. So I haven't seen inside the bag yet. We're gonna do a first unboxing and understanding together. So there's this brand on ASOS called Collusion or Collusion, something like that. And I saw that they had this scarf. They did like, you know, like the Louis kind of white on one side and brown on the other. Like I saw that they did and I was like, oh, I really like that kind of style, but I wasn't buying any Louis scarf because Sugar Daddy is still yet to come. Do you understand? So what I did was I went on the website and I saw this scarf and I said, oh, this is it's even soft. Oh, it's even soft. Even though I've made scarf before. So this is what it looks like on one side, and then when you flip it round, when you flip it and reverse it, is this on the other side. Like, oh, I love it. I'm not even gonna lie, it's not too big, so it's definitely one of those like fashion scarves. Like it says, what does it say? Collusion, something like that on the inside, on both sides. And it's just a nice wraparound scarf. So if I'm feeling very like cold in the winter times, I'm just gonna pop it on. Okay, I have makeup on, so let me actually not come and ruin this thing for myself already. So I'm gonna put this side on. Oh, ciao. And then you now just see it as you just, I gather it, and I just, I just, you know, and then you're just all okay. We understand each other, Abby. That's it. Just because, and it just actually feels very nice. I wish it was bigger, but this is actually okay. Like for when I'm wearing, I don't know, when I'm wearing like maybe like a leather jacket with a big hoodie underneath, and you know, trying to be stylish, but I'm also trying to protect myself from the cold. This is what I'm finna wear. When I'm wearing my trench coat, this is what I'm finna wear. When I'm wearing my big puffy brown teddy coat, this is what, do you understand? You're with me? Okay, fantastic. Oh, the scarf was only £10. Can you imagine? 10 English pound, that's not even on sale. But obviously you slap a young student discount, student or not, slap a young student discount on there, brings it down. That's, I don't know how much that is minus student discount because I didn't study maths in school, so mind your business. But anyways, this is definitely a good, just look at, flip it and reverse it. One more time, flip it and reverse it. Yeah, sis, you need it. So I also got this scarf for my days that are not really, you know, fashionista. I actually just want to cover my body because COVID is real, flus are real, pneumonia is real, and I need to cover my body. So this is more like a blanket kind of scarf. So these are the typical kind of scarves I get from like Zara or ASOS. They're quite big, they have multicolours. I normally get one with like fraying at the edge, but not fraying, tassels, but the tassels just become dirty. It's just become matted and ugly after a while. So I was just like, no, grown woman, we need to actually stop walking around with those childish tassels. So I got this one. It's huge and I can definitely tell it's going to be warm. I don't know why I went for all these light colours when I wear makeup. I don't understand, what did I think was happening, but it's okay. This one, I'm now going to, that one you just throw on because fashion. This one you snuggle. Okay, can you see how my neck is just balanced? This is what I need in a scarf. And then this two remaining bits, you now tuck it inside of the jacket and you zip yourself in. Guy, there'll be no Rona, No pneumonia in this place. I know how to find bargain. My name is Deborah Bargain. This one, yeah, this one is £10.80. I got the colour Mink. It was originally £18, but right now ASOS are doing a mad sale, so I went and just purchased that and just, yeah, just in the other scarf, in the Collusion one, this one, I got colour beige, so that's a beige colour. This one is colour Mink. In my rooming, on the rooming stars of the interweb, I also wanted to get some jewels. Now, I have like a Pandora bracelet and like a Guess bracelet and watches and stuff like that. But I also kind of want like costume jewellery, like fake gold jewellery for now, before somebody actually graces my hand with a young, what's that thing called? It begins with C.
Cartier.
Cartier, thank you! With a young Cartier. Okay, until someone graces my hand with a young Cartier, I will be doing costume jewellery for now. Or, you know, some smaller black owned brands, indie brands, sorry. That's what they call it, Abby. Yeah, right. Anyways. So I got a few bits. I don't know if I even like this, because if it actually sounds like, you know, clanging like keys, take it back. Just take it back. They were all like £3, £4, something like that. So I got this one. Okay, my wrist ain't gonna fit that. My wrist is not gonna fit inside that. Okay, let me try it. Let me at least try it, because I've actually this looks like it's for baby, like baby Deborah. It fit. So I've added, I like it actually, and I like how gold is. Like sometimes I don't really like gold items, but I actually like this. Like obviously it's not real, but anybody that's looking that close to me or too close, 2 meters, and that's just that. Do you know what I mean? I got another one. Hold on, let me show you. I got quite a few bits. They're quite heavy actually. Oh, I only got 2 more bits. Why is it so heavy? God of Jesus. So I'm actually going out next week, so that's why I wanted to get some jewelry, because the outfit that I want to wear with the shoes that I got as well, it kind of like makes sense, I think, but I haven't put it together. But yeah. Oh, okay, I got a necklace. Okay. Oh, it's not the same chain. No, it is. Yeah, it is. So I also got a gold chain, so it can be like a choker. Do you grab? Like a like a choker. Let me put it on. Let me on it for you. Let me on it for you. Yeah, I like this. It sits right above. Do you know what I mean? Like I can still breathe, so there's still, you know, but it's just like a, with this and this. Can you see where I'm going with this? And then like a gold little hoop. Just call me Puff Daddy. So I've kind of had this like recent obsession with like gold hoops. So I got some from Mango the other day. I got 2 pairs. I got like really thick gold hoops. You've probably seen it on my Instagram, and if you're not following my Instagram, you're a hater. The bracelet is £3.75. The necklace is £6, and the earrings are £1.80. I like things that are cheap. Can you see I just got a whole set for about £10 or £12, something like that. So I got these hoops. These are cute. These are really, and they're like a twisted kind of flat, awkward. I like that. I like that. So finally from ASOS, I got some shoes. Now, I've never ordered ASOS brand shoes before, so I'm really excited to see how this goes. So it was, so it just started suddenly raining. Did anyone else ever think that rain means that God is upset with us and God is crying? Listen, growing up young and Christian, yeah, been through some sins. Okay, I like this. Okay, I like this. I like this. I got a shoe. It's a shoe like this. It has that trumpet kind of heel, so it's a bit more sturdy. It's got a rope detail with a square foot, and it's supposed to be a tie-up kind of situation. So on the babe, she tied hers up really high in it, but I'm thinking to just wrap it around my ankle and then let the silver bits drop. So that's what I'm really gonna do. The heel is about 4 inches. It's also matte black, which is fantastic, because you don't really want like a shiny black shoe. Sometimes you can when you're doing like a barely there shoe, but babe, it's just a lot of stress. But I really like this trumpet, you know, kind of thing going on. Are you hearing this rain?
The wind is even singing. You say whoa, 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 whoa,
Whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa, whoa. So, like I was saying, this shoot, I feel like it's going to be really cute on my foot. I'm going to try it. I'm not showing you guys my feet. There's no particular reason other than my feet have not been done. Like, my toes need to get done. And I just think toes should be private. So, I ain't finished showing my feet. But I'm going to try it on and tell you if it's comfortable or not. I just tried on the shoe and first of all, they didn't make the size right. It's not my foot, it's them. They didn't make the size right, so it's actually too small for them. And the front, you know, like, let me show you. So you know, like on like, you have to put your foot through here, innit? So your toes are fitting through here. And my toe is cramped. My toe is actually saying, release me. Enlarge my territory. Literally. Literally, that's what it's saying. So I'm going to return this, but it's really cute. I really like the bell bottom kind of thing. I might find a similar one in a similar style, but this is going back. Thanks, I'll be taking my money back. I also did a little bit of shopping on Look Fantastic, like I told you guys. So first things first, I re-upped on my First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. I used this in my skincare routine that I posted a couple weeks ago, which is on my channel. Go and check it out. It's an amazing cream. It is definitely hydrating, definitely. I use it every single day. I would definitely recommend. I also re-upped on the La Roche-Posay 50+ Invisible Fluid SPF. I use either this one or the Body Shop one. It just depends which one I get my hands on first, which one has a discount that can be applied to it and remove. Yeah, this is a great purchase. I really like this. And also, I don't think I mentioned to you guys before, but like, I've been trying out a few different creams because my body just doesn't take to many creams, especially ones on the high street, because they're not as like hydrating. First cream I tried out was the CeraVe or CeraVe, whatever they call it, SA Smoothing Cream. Now this cream slaps. It has salicylic acid in it, so it means that your skin is going to be nice and smooth. It removes all the roughness and the bumpiness. Slaps. But let me tell you something, £18 per tub. My dad isn't Dangote, okay? I'm not there yet. I haven't reached level yet. So my friend said I should try Aveeno. So this is the Aveeno Skin Relief one. It has shea butter in it and a triple oak complex, whichever that one does. Shea is supposed to restore the skin's barrier, smooth and soothe and moisturize very dry and irritable skin. So I'm really hoping that this works. I also really like the fact that it has a pump, because the CeraVe one is like a tub in it, so I have to scoop it out. And with my nails, it doesn't work, honey. So I'm really excited this one has a pump. I want to even see how it comes out, if it comes out like thick. It has like part lotion, part actual cream texture, so it's not as watery as a lotion is, but it is kind of thick like a cream normally is. So I like that. That is definitely hydrating. Ooh, nice. Nice, nice, nice. But yeah, that's everything I got today. It's not really much because, you know, I'm just trying to be humble with it. But just got a few little bits and bobs. Let me know if you want to see some more things like this, because I am trying to, you know, switch it up from just the normal makeup. Oh, I said it was going to be another makeup video this week, didn't I? It's alright, darlings. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna do it for you, alright? Because I love you guys, I do. But also, if you like this one, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, share it with your mates, okay? Because I really appreciate all the comments, even though sometimes I respond late. I'm sorry, but I really appreciate it. Follow me on Instagram because I'm a lot more active on there, and you know, it's just easier that way. You get to see all the content that I put out, because I put a lot more content out on there. But you also get to join in with the fun. Starting from next week or the week after, I don't remember, but whenever This Is Us starts, we're going to have weekly conversations about that show, because I know that there's some fans on there that we just need to have a debrief after every session. So yeah, check out my Instagram for all of that goodness. I hope you all have a blessed day, a blessed week, a blessed morning, wherever you are. I love you all so much, and I'll see you next week. Okay, bye.